And racism could be declared a public health crisis in Marion County in a matter of hours.
Yeah, city leaders will bring up the proposal tonight after days of protest here in central Indiana. We have team coverage for you tonight. We'll start with the News 8's David Williams. He's live in downtown with more on that proposal. David?
That meeting will be right here tonight at the City County building. If approved, this special resolution could be a new step forward for Marion County. For days, hundreds of people have rallied, marched, and cried out for racial justice and an end to police brutality in Indianapolis. There has been destruction, there have been beatings, and there has been unity. The death of George Floyd sparked aspiring neurosurgeon Jai Horsey to protest just days ago. His sign asks, "Am I next?"
I felt this way ever since I was a child, and my mother and brother-in-law had to sit me down and explain to me what it means to be a black man in America.
Last week, hundreds of healthcare workers, doctors, and medical students rallied in Indianapolis to call systemic racism a public health crisis. Monday, the City County Council introduced a special resolution that would formally declare racism a public health crisis in Marion County, and it will be discussed this evening.
It is indeed a public health crisis, and it's among the very top of the list.
We're calling on all city and county departments to continue with amazing urgency a review of policies and procedures to eradicate implicit and explicit bias that we put in place that may have been put in place that have built towards this sort of racial inequity.
That fight for racial justice is why hundreds of people, including Pastor Darian Bowen, held a die-in last week just steps from the City County building.
God is for social justice. There's no way that you can justify doing wrong to anybody, regardless of the color of their skin, their creed, their educational background, their sexual orientation.
So that meeting will be right here tonight at 7 o'clock. And coming up all new at 6, you'll hear what public safety officials have to say about this. For now, we're live in downtown Indianapolis. I'm David Williams, Wish TV, wishtv.com, and follow us on Facebook.